Well, it's standing up, thanks to my wonderful wife coming in and helping. It was about to whoop me. 20-foot pipe, trying to keep it arched and trying to tie it off at the same time was more than I could handle.
It didn't take time. It didn't take too long.
No. It works a lot better when you got teamwork.
Now here comes the fun part.
Well, at least the wind ain't blowing so hard now when we try to stretch plastic.
Yeah, right.
I know it's going to start blowing as soon as we get it out of the box. It always does.
Yes, it does.
We got a little more shaping and stuff to do to it. And for the most part, these 5 big hoops up. I think I put a couple of my wooden sticks on the inside, probably use tape, just to make sure everything kind of stays where it's supposed to. I guess the next journey is putting the wood sticks in it. Putting some ribs in it where it won't move around too much. Sound like fun, huh?
On to the next venture. Well, put a little rib on the side. Gotta go get more tape and stuff so we can get it all taped up and ready for the plastic. Gotta take all the sharp points off.
Yeah, we need to tape all the sharp points and stretch the plastic up each side. We'll probably leave a gap in the top for right now because it still does get warm during the day.
Yeah.
That should stop most of the frost though from getting in. And we'll put a final layer on top here in a day or two. It's supposed to be cold tonight, but it's supposed to warm back up for a couple of days. So that weather, you never know what it's going to do, so we're trying to be prepared anyway.
It is Tennessee.
Yeah, it can change at any time.
All right, let's go further and do more.
Yep.
Well, boys and girls, we're halfway there. Got plastic on one side. About time to run the other side. At least the wind's not blowing too much.
Oh, it will when we get to pulling the plastic. It'll be settled until you get the plastic pulled out and spread out like a sail. And we'll go sailing.
Well,
It'll be all right though.
it'll work.
We'll catch it.
Eventually. Alright.
Another adventure.
A little more to do and the hot hut would be a little finished. Of course the sun is setting, so it's kind of a little bit late to get some heat built up in it. Had some company come by and had to stop work.
Where's the tape? I got 2 rolls.
I'm finally getting the back side of it fixed up. Getting rocks down on the side. Hold it all down. Maybe it'll warm up enough to keep everything from getting some frost on it tonight. Supposed to get pretty cool. Go further and do more.
Well guys, it's been I guess you can say a tag team action between me and Cindy doing the video, and I've been trying to get this stuff worked out. But the poor man hoop house is officially done. Well, I got a few more things to do, but basically extending. We'll keep the frost off. I think it'll work for a while if I can keep the wind from tearing it up. I got to put a few more weights on this side. I got to patch a little bit on the other side, but it's pretty well up what it needs to be. Frost can't get to the plants now. We can just battle the wind and weather for a little while. We should have some good stuff out of this. And the good thing is, if I take care of the plastic, I can probably roll it up and use it again. The pipes are reusable. The fence posts, I pulled them out of the garden. I use them over and over. Hope you enjoyed the video. It's definitely been a long day. God bless.